So hey guys, it's Nikki here with another Dollar Tree DIY for flipping decor. So I got all my products from Dollar Tree and I just wanted to tell you that you can just really be really creative for under a certain amount of money. So I bought 3 packs of the chalkboard wood stakes and I was thinking, how can I, give these a little pizzazz and use them in my bathroom? So what I did was I said, well, I need a 4 letter word for each of the 4 chalkboards. And so I'm using them in my bathroom. So why not create a bath, soap, wash, tile? So now I'm like, okay, well, how can I do this? So the first thing I do is actually I take a piece of chalk, and I write the letters as you see in the wash. And then I go over it with some acrylic paint, and to clear up any smudges or anything around the letters to make sure that they're clear, I just take a Sharpie marker and I literally go over it. And then I paint my napkin rings or shower rings you can use. You can say I use the shower rings. And once they're all dry, once everything is completed, you have to make sure that you find like a groove in the napkin ring for the chalkboard to actually fit comfortably so it doesn't look awkward. Um and what I tell you is use the guiding on the back of the chalkboard. Once you rip the stick off, there's like a little bit of glue that may be left over, and that's where you can kind of glue your painted curtain rings in the space to hold it as you see here. And here's what they all look like once they were all finished and added to my shower curtain in my bathroom. So the first set I started with was soap. And then I have in the middle wash, and then I have bath towards the other side of my shower curtain. I think they came out amazing, guys. If you try it, let me know. Tag me and Lifestyle DIYW. And hey, guys, live your life and do it your way. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, make sure you head over to my Instagram at Lifestyle DIYW and enter into the latest Dollar Tree giveaway on my page right now.